As we gather to celebrate the joy of the season, let's also take a moment to always appreciate the good things happening around us here in the Southeast. Now, speaking of good things, have you heard the latest about Governor Peter Mbah in Enugu State? Oh yes, it's another round of applause for the man who is making waves with his disruptive innovation approach to governance. This time, he's gifting new roads to rural communities as a Christmas surprise. Wow. Before now, people see him as someone who only focuses on urban development, but now this is really a game changer. Talk about the ultimate Christmas package. Imagine this: more than 8 communities across Enugu East and Kano East local government areas now have brand new roads. Yes, people who used to struggle with bumpy, dusty paths can now drive smoothly to their destinations this season. I mean, who wouldn't love that? It's not just about roads, my people. It's about the bigger picture, the government of optimal performance. Peter Mbah is showing us what it means to take governance seriously, and we can't help but give credit where it's due. When you see a governor working tirelessly to make life easier for the people, you just know it's the real deal. And let's be honest, there's no better gift than infrastructure that improves lives. This development is more than just concrete and asphalt. It's a lifetime for these communities. Better roads mean faster access to markets, schools, and healthcare, and people coming into the villages this period will have a smoother ride all the way. It means progress, it means hope. And as we step into the new year, we can only hope for more of such impactful projects across Nigeria. So, a big shout out to Governor Peter Mbah for stepping up and showing what good leadership looks like this period. Peter Mbah is really doing well, no doubt about it. And for our viewers in Ebony People TV, stay tuned. We'll keep bringing you updates on all the amazing transformations happening in and around the Southeast. Once again, from the entire Ebony People TV team, here is wishing you a Merry Christmas and a New Year filled with endless possibilities. Alright family, it's time for me to sign off. Don't forget to like, share, and drop a comment to let us know how you're celebrating this season. Stay blessed, stay safe, and we'll see you in 2025.